kid while he's getting hit. I'm a monster, that's why. I'm so not.
Tell us that the guy who butchered and move on. Yeah. Leave the behaviors out of people. Teenagers in prison today. Essentially, you know.
And your car's in that carton. So
that's it. You know, get a garage and cut the trees down. Then grand theft and drug charges. You enter a guilty plea pretty much every time. You would get less time if you enter a guilty plea. So you enter a guilty. So they raise them and butcher them out and then feed the people on, and sometimes sell them too. She was abducted by someone, which in the drug world that happened. And Mel, and yeah, he was selling drugs, but it sounds better than they both use the same. Pixie does have sons. Let's get back to Pixie and her story. Okay. Ran gambling places in small town. Considered Woodland suspect here. He was, they believe, his son Woodland. I ran his car. Now, Marsh, basically, the connection, how does Swampy get connected to Wickline? And Wickline wanted the drugs that he might have. So he thought, you know, and somehow he wanted to chose him in this next Teresa. Yeah, while Wickline is in prison, Teresa tells the cops some stories about they're separate each other, Pixie and Teresa. They know each other, they all know each other, but they're not coming together as one package. Teresa was his girlfriend, as a tax scheme. Yeah, he looked over tax scheme normally. Parker was lucky all along something. Marsh had not been. He leans over. How many times have we said this? It's never something. Turns out to be the nude and dismembered body of 15-year-old Tony Munson. Yeah, he was stuffed in.